In the name of Allah, extremely compassionate, the merciful. Good day to all students. Myself Nomana Hussain from Army Public Junior School Multan, and I welcome you all in AppSec's online support program. This is week 9 assignment of level 3 for computer science. The topic of today's assignment is Microsoft PowerPoint. In previous chapter, students have learned all about Microsoft Word. And now, if you can use MS Word, it is quite easy for you to understand PowerPoint. So the objective of this lesson is to learn the basics of PowerPoint and transition effects. So what is PowerPoint? Why do we use PowerPoint? The answer is PowerPoint is computer software created by Microsoft. It allows the user to create slides, sounds, transitions, and other features in order to present the information. So here we come to know that PowerPoint is a computer software which is created by Microsoft. And we use PowerPoint to create slides, sounds, transition, and other features like you can add video in it. So the next is, why do we use PowerPoint? We use PowerPoint to make our presentation because it gives several options that make our presentation more appealing. What are transition effects? In Microsoft PowerPoint, slide transitions are motion effects that occur in slideshow view when you move from one slide to the next during a presentation. This is the definition of transition effects, and later on we will apply transition effects. How to make a presentation on PowerPoint? There are some steps that we need to follow to make a presentation on PowerPoint. Step 1. Learn about tabs and tools. Here are some terminologies that we need to know. First, we have tabs. Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, Transitions, and many more. Across each tab, these all are tabs. And when you click on the tab, it gives a series of tools on something that is called ribbon. This is Home tab, and when you click on this tab, this kind of ribbon shows in front of you. This is Clipboard tools. These are slides, these are fonts, and these are paragraphs. So they all are tools of Home tab. Step 2. Create a slide. When you click on Home, it shows Slide tool. To create a slide, we will simply click on Home tab like this, and then we will click on New Slide. By clicking on New Slide, a drop-down option will open up in front of you. And here, many slides you can choose of your choice. Like the first one, I will choose Title Slide. Step 3. Write title and subtitle. When you make your presentation, first of all, you will write the title of your presentation. Like I have written, My Favorite Sports. And here you can write that to whom you are submitting your presentation, your name, your class, and section. Step 4. Apply transition effects. After making your presentation, editing text, inserting different pictures, you can apply transition effects on your slides. You will simply click on Transition and drop-down option will show different transition effects. By hovering over the effects, you can see the result and you can choose any transition effect. Hope you understand all the steps. Now what you need to do. Task 1. Presenting your ideas. This is your chapter name and from page 77 to 81 you will read all these chapter and you will make presentation on the topic My Favorite Sports. And at the end of this lesson you will submit your presentation. Recap. What is PowerPoint? Why do we use PowerPoint? And what are transition effects? Hope you can answer this. Thank you from my side.